What's up, Slayers? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install one of these roof entry brackets by Rooftech.
Alright, so this kit comes with the roof boot with the butyl pad on the back, this bushing, a strip of butyl tape, a pad of butyl tape to put underneath it to keep it from rocking if it's on 2 shingle layers, and some duct seal and some screws. So we're going to find a nice flat portion of this Architect shingle to mount it on and get our hole right there in the middle. We're going to peel one side of the strip of butyl and stick it to the inside of the hole. The end will just overlap a little bit, and then you're going to take a knife and cut 4 slits on 4 different sides, north, south, east, and west. Once you get those cut, you're going to bend them over and fold it flat. Pop the center out of the bushing, and you're going to get the bushing in there, make a nice tight seal. Make sure you push it down nice and flush. Cut away any extra butyl that sticks out. And then I'm folding my butyl pad and sticking it on the next shingle layer down so my boot doesn't teeter-totter. And here's a look at the inside of it. There is a spot for a ground lug in there as well, since it's metal. Take the butyl pad off the back, stick it down, insert the 3 Rooftech screws that are provided. After that's done, we take our 3/4 strain relief or conduit connector, put it in the pre-knocked out hole. And after that, you can put your wires in, and then it comes with the duct seal that you can fill that rest of that hole for any condensation and moisture. Put the 3 lid screws on. I like to put a little extra caulk around the outside edges of it, just as a little extra protection. And that's it. That's the Rooftech roof entry bracket. And here's a look from inside the attic. There you go.